K over what? 100, right?
100 times N.
That's the locator. So once you find the locator, that's going to be the data that corresponds to the certain percentile. But there are two rules to apply. Can you read? Hopefully. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is what? Sort the data. Is it sorted?
Yes.
Yes. Arrange the data in order from lowest to highest. Now compute L equals to K over 100 times N. So let's compute. So I'm doing for the 20 first. So L equals to, where is my K? 20 divided by what? 100 times what? 10. That's the N, right? Number of data. So how many data we have? N. So this will be what? 200 divided by 100 is 2. Now, is the L a whole number? Is that a whole number? Yes. So now we go to this direction. If not a whole number, then we come to that direction. So if it's a whole number, yes, that was a whole number. Let's see the rule. The rule says the value of the K percentile is a midway between the Lth value and the next value in the sorted set of the data. Find a piece of K by adding the Lth value and the next value and dividing the total by 2. So how I'm going to find that value? So I'm looking for the second data and one above. So what is the second data and the one above? 25 and what?
30.
30. You're finding their total, dividing by what? 2. So the data will be what? The data is, what is it? 25, which is, this one is the second, plus the what? This comes from this two. Second and what? Third, which is
30.
30. Divide by 2, which is what? 27.5? Yeah. So 27.5, that corresponds to what percentile?
20.
20th percentile. Even though I don't have that data in there, but this is exactly what we're looking for, right? 27.5, that corresponds to the what? 20th percentile. What 20 percentile means? Means what? 20% of the data are below what? Below...
20.
I did not calculate that. 20% of the data scored below something, right? 27.5, right? That's the location. Agree? So we're looking for the locator that corresponds to the certain percentile. Now, why I ask you this? Because we're not going to get a what? Whole number. See, because sometimes the rule is what? If it's not a whole number, then what? Then we have to do that. So let's do that second question. So how are we going to do that?